Custom-fit towing mirrors snap over your vehicle's existing mirror to give you added vision while towing. This set of snap-on towing mirrors will snap on and off easily to existing mirror. We've engineered these OE-fit snap-on mirror to conform to the factory model and style. Will not block vision of your original mirror and can still be folded away with the snap-on towing mirror on. Easy installation and instructions included. Snap and Zap custom towing mirror pair for 14 to 18 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, GMC Sierra 1500, 15 to 18 Chevrolet 2500, 3500, 15 to 18 GMC Sierra 2500, 3500. This part will not fit the new 2019 body style. The fit system clip-on towing mirror extensions are designed for an exact fit on 2014 Chevrolet GMC Full-size Trucks. These custom towing mirror extensions easily clip on with no additional hardware. Vehicle mirrors can be folded without removing the extensions. Custom designed to match OEM mirror color and texture. Sold as a pair. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for towing. These fit my GMC Sierra perfectly and are great when towing my boat on the highway. They slide on and off nicely and stay in place without any issues.